Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anis Anshamiti Osman. So today I'm going to present the mini project presentation, which is design and implementation of a scalable network infrastructure for a multi-departmental organization. Firstly, the overview for this project. Today, organizations rely on robust and scalable network infrastructure to support their operations. It is necessary to design and implement a scalable network infrastructure. In this project, it is focused on establishing internet connectivity, interdepartmental communication through inter-VLAN routing, and implementing network security measures. Students need to implement VLANs, inter-VLAN routing, configuring OSPF, NATs, access control list ACLs, and HSRP. Next, the network design for this project. This is the topology for this project. There are 3 floors. First floor is HR department. Second floor is IT and finance. And floor 3 is marketing department. For first floor, these two PC are in same VLAN, which is VLAN 10. And floor 2, for PC3, it is VLAN 20. And PC4 is VLAN 30. And the last one, for these two PC in floor 3, it is VLAN 40. Next one is the configuration. Firstly, PCIP configuration. We need to configure for all PCs. For PC1, the IP address is 10.0.0.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, which is /24, and the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. For PC2, the IP address is 10.0.0.3, the subnet mask is /24, and the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. For PC3, the IP address is 20.0.0.2 and the subnet mask is /24. The default gateway is 20.0.0.1. For PC4, the IP is 30.0.0.2 and the subnet mask is /24 and the default gateway is 30.0.0.1. For PC5, the IP address is 40.0.0.2 and the subnet mask is /24. The default gateway is 40.0.0.1. And the last one for PC6, the IP address is 40.0.0.3. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, which is /24. And the default gateway is 40.0.0 and .1. Next one, the network segmentation using VLANs. We need to configure for our VLAN. First, the HR VLAN. So this is the IP address and the subnet mask. We need to configure for all port for VLAN 10. Same goes to IT and finance VLAN. For this VLAN, there are two interfaces, which is interface F0/0 and F0/1. We need to do the same as the previous VLAN. We need to configure for this port, which is port 1 is VLAN 30, port 2 VLAN 20, port 4 VLAN 20, and port 5 VLAN 30. And these are the IP address and the subnet mask. And the last one for marketing VLAN, it also has only one interface, which is interface F0/1, and we need to configure for the port, which is port 30, port 3, 6, and 7, which is VLAN 40. Next, dynamic routing using OSPF, we need to do for all departments which are HR, IT and financial, and marketing. So here are the commands. For this case, we use area 0. Next, internet access using NAT. For this case, for outside, we choose HR router. And for the inside, we choose IT and finance. So here is the command. So first, we need to enter the interface and then enter the IP address and you shut down command, and also same for inside. For netting, we need to configure Wi-Fi so that it can access the internet. Next, the network security using ACLs. For this case, IT and finance is deny the marketing. It means it deny marketing from enter the IT and finance department. This is the command. And then for HR, it also deny marketing from enter their network. And the last one, redundancy using HSRP. For this project, we configure it on HR router. So first we enter the interface and then we enter the IP address. So standby command. Next, the result for this project. So from PC1, it can communicate to all PCs, which are PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, and PC6. Last but not least, the lesson learned from this project. What we can get from this project, the VLAN enables users from different VLANs to access shared resources such as printers, servers, or storage device, and promoting efficient resource utilization and reducing the need for duplicate infrastructure. It means that they don't need to provide the same infrastructure, even though people in different VLAN they can access the infrastructure. Next one, OSPF feature improve network efficiency while lowering router memory and processing requirement. It simplifies the routing operation in the multi-departmental organization with many subnets. Next one is NAT, which is network address translation. It is translate the one or more local IP address into one or more global IP address and vice versa in order to provide internet access to the local host. It gives benefits in terms of IP address composition, security, connectivity, network management, flexibility, and IP version transition. ACLs provide scalability and flexibility in managing access control policies. ACL is made up of rules that either allow access to a computer environment or deny it. And last one, by implementing HSRP, it allows the organization to ensure continuous connectivity, optimize the network performance, and maintain smooth operation across departments, which is all of this contribute to increase the productivity and user experience. That's all from me. Thank you.